city for 2.5 hours, I think. Factory visit. China is living in the future. Hello to you too. Good morning. Morning from Beijing, capital airport terminal 3 domestic. On my way to Ningbo. Lucky enough to have a business flight. So yeah, I had the fast track in the lounge. Nice breakfast. It was too early for the breakfast in hotels. I'm happy for that. Now, finding my gate. C60. Dalian Airways. I think Dalian Airlines. That's it. Open-minded. Adventure. Off we go. ZH. This is my flight. C60. And I guess we're going down. Let's have a look. C60 to the left. Even further down. That's interesting. Into the bus. Here we are. Dalian Airlines. Way to Ningbo. C2J. Alright, this is us. It's a small business class cabin. 8 seats in total. Nice. Can sit here for 2.5 hours, I think. It's kind of the older model of business seats, but it's really, really nice. Can fit my legs here. Ningbo. This is the terminal, Ningbo. We'll come and check in, I guess. It's a pretty decent sized airport, not too big, at least what I can see from here. My pickup has arrived, so I have some time to kill. So let's see. Factory visit. So steel frame, basically the idea. Very solid, very, very solid. Very big.
Cut the steel. One piece, 2 pieces. Yeah.
Yes. Okay, this is the cutter, plasma cutter, right? Yes.
To me, very easy.
I understand. Yes.
Yeah, very easy.
Okay.
This is lobster. This one use fire to cut it down.
Okay. Aha. Okay.
This is the idea.
Okay.
Don't mistake.
The idea on the.
In the picture, we see the
Yes.
the robot.
Yeah, the robot. Okay. Wow. That's huge.
The robot. or rubbish. Very impressive. Very impressive. Big. You can't see you can't see factory like this in Norway. Maybe shipbuilding. Many workers will welding it. Yes. Welding it. Wow, big production.
This is our room in Ningbo, Tecum Ciel, it's called. Show you around. Refresh, remodel. This is the bathroom. Oh, I know this guy. Let's see, here is the shower. You have like glass doors. Pretty nice with a beautiful. And then we have the toilet here. This is like those super fancy, fully electric, washing your tush kind of toilet. And it's heated, by the way. It's hot, hot, hot. Here we have the wardrobe, walk-in. And then the room. This bed is huge. I think this can sleep for 4 people, 5 people. So I like this room. It's on the 17th floor, 17. Let's see if we have some views from here. Yes. Some views down to Ningbo. That is that beautiful room. All right. The nice lounge. But then, to be honest, we like to watch it ourselves. It's nice. It's a nice memory, you know?
Yes, that's a memory.
Yes. Wow.
No, Apple. You like Huawei?
Huawei, yes.
Huawei BYD.
You're the fans of Huawei.
Huawei is the
His
best,
car,
best
his
phone
car
ever.
is Hongqi. It's so beautiful.
Yes, it really is. Right, China is living in the future. Look at this thing here. Hello to you too. Good morning. Does he speak English? No. But he follows me.
好的，我明白你的意思了。
Alright. He follows me. Come on, look at me. Cool. What is this? Wi-Fi? We can do all kind of stuff here. We can order food. Wake up. This is the restaurant
好
overview, I
的
guess.
请先定位。自动定位中，请不要围在我周围。
Okay, what is he doing?
自动定位成功。对我说，附近有什么好玩的吧？
Okay. I have no idea, unfortunately. I'm sure it's really cool.
我不确定您所说的普设是什么意思，
Alright.
请您提供更多的上下文或信
But
息，
yeah,
以便我更好的理解并回答
kind
您
of
的问
things
题。
you meet when you visit the future. So this is the hotel I'll stay tonight, somewhere up there. It's very well located. Subway is right here. City center is, everything is like 10 minutes away from here. It's like really cool location. We even have a, you know, the American specialty restaurant with a big golden M if you absolutely have to. But then again, Don't come to China for that now, do you? Good morning to you too. I wouldn't mind having a look down there. I go back up. Wait for my driver to pick me up. With its Xiaomi SU7 in travel and style. Xiaomi SU7. From here you can get to the train station. I think it's like 2 stations or 3 stations or something. It's quick, convenient, not really a problem. Alright, we made it through. Now I just need to figure out which one is my train. Passport. Beautiful. So this is coach 1. 7C. 7C. This is me. An aisle seat. Alright. The usual tip. Take your Alipay. Click on scan. Scan this thing. And you have all the information about your train. That's it. I just ordered food. You know what I just got? Delivered to my seat. Changlyu railway station. Right. So I was invited to this wedding reception. Well, what can I say? A lot of good food and a lot of Chinese culture, which means a lot of drinking, because everybody of the wedding reception wanted to cheer with me. So basically to raise the glass and drink.